Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for French exams. To truly excel, consistent daily immersion is key. Make it a habit to speak French for at least 15 minutes every single day, even if it's just talking to yourself. Regularly reviewing grammar rules and verb conjugations will solidify your foundational knowledge. This approach builds confidence and fluency, preparing you thoroughly for any assessment. Start today and see a significant improvement in your French skills. Building a strong vocabulary and understanding grammar are crucial. Start by making flashcards for every new word you encounter, perhaps aiming for 10 to 15 new words daily. There are many fantastic free online platforms offering interactive grammar exercises. Use them to reinforce your understanding. Don't forget to practice verb conjugations regularly, covering all the essential tenses. Consistent effort in these areas will significantly boost your comprehension and expression. To truly master French, you need to sharpen your listening and speaking skills. Try listening to French podcasts or music for at least 20 minutes daily. This helps your ear adapt to the rhythm and pronunciation. Watching French films with French subtitles is also incredibly effective for improving comprehension. Most importantly, actively seek out opportunities to converse with native speakers. Even short conversations can make a huge difference in your fluency and confidence. For exam day success, practice is paramount. Simulate exam conditions by taking practice tests under timed constraints. This helps manage stress and pacing. Make sure to review common French idiomatic expressions and useful phrases, as these often appear in exams and demonstrate a deeper understanding. And hey, while you're preparing, remember life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.